came in came out in the mind, that is called frame set. Okay. Frame set says like you can divide your screen as a row wise also, as well as you can divide the screen as a column wise also. Row wise and column wise, both the way we can divide. So this photo represents about the row wise division. The file what we have created, this file was HTML tag starts, whereas body we have not follow. Even you should not follow the body if you use the frame set. Any one we need to write either body or frame set. Okay. So in frame set it says the first row 10%, second row 50%, third row 30%, last row 10%. Means total height is 100%. Total height we should utilize up to how much? 100% only. We should not take more than 100%. That calculation we have done. Okay. Next after that, sequence wise, under the first 10% we have sent the header. Second 50% we have called the welcome. Third 30% we have called left. Last 10% we have called the footer. Okay. Right. Now your page will divide into multiple rows, and each row some content will come. That is true only. But since as of now file is not exist, so it will say page not found. 404 error will come. It will say page not found. Okay. On internet, sometime you will see 404. When you click some pages, it will say sorry 404. So what is the 404? Is a type of error. What type of error? 404. That response code from the server. You are calling a file and file is not exist, it will say 404, means page is not exist. 500 means server side error. Okay, 200 success. We will be learning that once you come in Ajax. Those are called a response code. Response code from where? Server. Yes, so we'll guide you. What are those? You don't worry. But remember, as of now, one call 404. Error code 404 meaning is what? Page not found. You are trying to call a page, that page is not exist, then it's a page not found. Okay. Now run this file. See what is happening in this. See here. Everywhere is the blank. See, saying something page not found. All the places page not found. Means page is not exist. We are trying to call the page, that page is not exist. So first priority, frame set is okay. There is no problem in the frame set file. This file is valid. Okay. Since these pages are not exist, so it comes as a page. We are going to create a file header.html, welcome.html, info.html, and footer.html. Using frame set, we divide the page into multiple row and columns, and under each row, with the help of frame, we call a file. So using frame tag, what you are doing? You are calling a file. What's the file name? Header.html. Using frame, you are calling a file. What file name? Welcome.html. SRC represent the source. What is the source? So source is which one? Header. Source is what? Welcome. Source is info. Source is footer. If the source is not exist, definitely it will say page not found. Okay. So let's create a file. And other thing you remember, frame1.html file you have created. It is a parent file. It is a parent file, like it is a main file. And header, welcome, info, footer, these all are going to be a child file. Child file, yes. It will be as a child file. Okay. So in child file, HTML, head, body, everything we can write. But in parent file, body tag you should not write if you are using the frame set. Okay. Then maybe your friend or some of your relative or family member will say, frame set people not use in the market, why you are wasting the time? Okay. You are not wasting the time. I'm also agree. A lot of people will not use the frame set. Even people will not use the frame set in normal cases. But using this, you are going to get a good idea. When you come to learn the Ajax, when you come to learn API, when you come to learn jQuery Ajax, that time this concept will help you. Okay, this concept will help you a lot. Okay, so let's come to the file. Create a file called header.html. Create a new file, header.html. It is a preparation for the future. Learning the frame set is nothing but preparation for the API, preparation of Ajax, preparation of jQuery Ajax for the future, preparation of asynchronous call for the future. Header.html file, open and close. Write HTML, follow the body tag. Inside that, write BG color. BG color is a single word, it's not a double word. BG color, orange color. Okay, write inside a paragraph, align equal to center. I write here call. This is from header file. Okay, ready? Save the file. Run header file also. See how it is look. You can run header file directly. BG color orange and then particular color particular. See how that look. Orange background will appear. Something like this. Orange background will appear. Now run the frame1.page, frame1.html file. See how that appears. Frame1 file again you can run. See header will appear in the top section. Something like this. Header. Header better you don't run directly. Run the frame set. If you run the frame set, the header will appear automatically. Run the frame set, header will appear automatically. Anyone? Check now. Frame set look like this. Header file appear on the top. Okay. What is the next file? Next file is called welcome. Create the next file, welcome.html, bg color pink. Create next file, welcome.html, bg color will be pink. Bg color will be pink. Yes, again. What was the file name? File name is called welcome. Yeah, this should be pink color. This is from welcome.html. This is from welcome file. Right after creating welcome file, again run your frame set page. Run your frame set page. Both the page should appear here. Welcome on the top and then header on the top and welcome in between. Welcome on the top and this one. Now what next file? Next file as per the frame set called info. Create next file info.html. Info file you can create. Info.html, bg color, keep it sky blue. This is from info file. Okay, hope ready. Run again frame set file. See how that look. Sky blue is coming. Create the next file. Footer. Gray color or green color. This is from footer file. Okay, hope coming. In which color? Green color. So all the sections are ready. Your file is not exist, because of that it says edited or deleted or moved. Make sure you keep the file in current folder. Which file? Header, welcome, info, footer. All the files should be in which folder? Frameset example folder. For example, I'll show you. If I go to my folder, frameset is here, footer is here, header is here, info, and then welcome. All the files should be one place, and the file name should be same as you have given here. All the files should be in one folder, that is called frameset folder, and file name should be as what you have given here. Save the file, and after that run the frameset one. Hope it should work. Check once again. If working for you, let me know. We will move for the next example. Eight people have said yes, we should go next. Working. Okay. Cool then. I hope it's work for everyone. Now let's look at the another point. So page is working here, but you can see in between there is a border line. Can you see? Border lines are coming. This border line is making your page as a something. If you remove border, your page will look very clean. Okay, if you remove this line, the page will look very clean. Okay, so what we will do for that? Let's go inside. Frame set one file. After double quote, you will use a property called border equal to 0. Border equal to 0. No border. Border equal to 0. Now save the file. And run it. There will not be any kind of border anywhere, inside also and outside. So hope no border. Let me run again and show you. No border. Page looking completely clean. Page got divided into total 4 blocks. As per the image, page got divided into how many blocks? 4 blocks. Okay, so frame 1 is working. We will leave this and we'll go ahead with the next example. There we can see something based on column also. This is only based on rows. This is only based on rows. We'll create next based on column as well. Ready? Go ahead. Create next file, frameset2.html. Create next file, frameset2.html. 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 In frameset2.html, start from HTML, follow the body tag, not body tag, frameset tag. This frameset will have rows equal to the first row only 10%, second row 80% or 70% you can give, last row 20%, and then border equal to 0, no any border from any side. Right, next come after that. So how many columns? No columns. So total rows how many? 3 rows. Let's write inside frame src equal to header.html and footer also, and in between call the welcome. Check what is that and how it looks. Yes, 3 block will appear. Total 3 block will appear. Header, footer, and welcome.
Bye. Sports
Okay, something like this. 3 blocks. Okay, so let it be, this one is a separate block, be separate page. We'll create one more page that will follow this structure. Which is structure? Structure number 2. This we made 3 rows where first, second, and third. Welcome, header, right? Okay. Looking similar, something else.
Thì lâu thôi sẽ cái đâu kìa. Cái đâu kìa. Thì lâu thôi ra liên thật này. Ai đi. Bây giờ các pro tôi luôn. Ai đi cái
Create next file frameset3.html. 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 Frameset3 file, how that will look? First, you take the copy from the frame2. Everything. Take the copy of frame2. Everything copy from the frame2. Paste under the frameset3.
Implementation ở bên cái
Okay, written. Now look at here. 10% will be occupied by which file? Header. Last 20% by footer. 70% by welcome. Now remove this welcome line. That meaning 70% height is free. That meaning 70% height is free now. Okay, 70% height is free now. In 70% of the height, yes. Frame set open and frame set close. Do that. So this middle frame set we have open, where it is? The middle frame set we have open, where it is? It is under the 70% of the area. The first frame set, first frame is going to 10%, last frame is going to the 20%, remaining is 70%. For 70%, this frame set is going to take the place. Okay. As per the photo, you can see this 70% is breaking into how many columns? 2 columns. Let's go here. So now you will write as calls. Calls equal to 25% is the one column, 75% is the second column. So one column will be of Okay, so how many columns? Two columns, 75% width and then 25% width. The first 75% will go to 25% will go to the first column, 75% will go to the second column. That is the width. But what is the height? Height of this area is how much? 70%. Width you are talking, yes, width was 100%. Look at here. In this file, width is how much? 100%. But height is 70%. Now 70% of the height you are breaking to no multiple height. Height remains same. Just width only we are going to break into two, 25 as well as 75. So you can go here and call a file here called frame src equal to left.html ml, and second you keep as a welcome.html. Left file is not exist. Left file is not exist. So definitely left file is not exist. So definitely what will happen is it will say page not found. We have to create a file. Check now. The frame set is okay. Write it properly first. Okay, ready? Run this file. You will see something like this. Divided into two columns where left is not exist. So instead of left, what you can call, we have one more file info. Instead of left, call here info. Instead of left, call is info.html. So we added left.html info. Check now how that appear. Something like this. So using frame set, what we are able to do, we are able to divide the page into multiple blocks, and using frame tag, we are able to call the different pages. So hope looking similar or something else. Let me know quickly. Code once we write, definitely error will come, but you should not be very much. 7 people said yes, no something. Let's say it's working. Cool. Okay, one more design is left. We will complete that also. This one. So in this, how many rows you have? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. In third row, there is a 2 column as well. Correct? So let's go. We'll create that. You will create the next file, frameset4.html. 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 We can take the copy of 3. Remove the middle section, header, footer, let it be same. That has called many times. Okay, so hope written frame set, open, close, frame open, frame close. Now come inside. Inside, look at the photo. How many rows first? 4 rows. In that, the second row and last row look like equal. Look like equal. So first row is 10% is fine. Second row also you give one more here, 20%. 20%. Last is also 20, middle is a 20, second is 20, last is 20, 20, 20, 40, plus 10, 50. The remaining 50 will go to this one. Modify this 10, 20, 50, 20. 10, 20, 50, 20. Okay, so 10% will go to the header, last 20% will go to the footer. Now in between, there should be 20%. So for that, one more you can write here. Info.html. Info.html will go to the 20%. Remaining 50% height is available. So this 50% you are going to keep like this. Again, same set. Calls equal to 25%, comma 75%. Hope ready? Now in the 25%, you have to call another file, and 75% we have to call another file. 25% we need to call a file, left.html, and 75% file we need to call welcome.html. You have to create a file, left.html. You need to create a new file, left.html. Hope you are creating a file, left.html. Hope ready? You created the file left.html. Let's create a file left.html. Left.html. HTML. Body. Which frame set? We have to create this file. This file you have left.html. No, you have. I need to create. I have not created it still. So hope you completed the frame set 4. In left.html, follow one UL tag. UL tag. Right inside the UL, type equal to Esquire. SQUARE. Follow the li. My inbox. My profile. My contact. My education. My experience. My project. Save this many. Hope ready? Save now. If once. Which file? Frame set 4. Something like this. Page got divided into multiple blocks. happening row and column wise, row wise division as well as column wise division. Both should happen. Now based on that, some assignments are there. Let me show you the URL. Work on that. So no error. Now let us see the homework. The URL lmsglobe.com/html Google search is slow. No problem. I sent you the link in your chat. In that set number 6 you are going to work on. Set number 6. Set number 6 we are going to work on. Now related to set number 6, some more things are pending here. Design wise, layout wise we divided. Now some more thing you need to know. So come to the header file. Come to the header file. In header file, remove the p tag. In header file, remove the p tag. In header file, remove the p tag. After removing the p tag, come to the body section, open a table, close the table. This table will be aligned as a center and cell padding as a somewhere 10. Hope ready. Next, after that, write a TR here. TR open and close. Under that TR, TH or TD, anything. TH also you can write. Home. About us. Contact us. Login. Register. Inquiry. Just change this. Ready? Header file. Check your any page. Frame set 1, frame set 2, frame set 3, frame set 4. You will find navigation will appear on top. In all the pages, header have some kind of home, about, contact kind of links here. Link is not there. It is just a yes. Now, in all the pages, in all the pages, we have a navigation like this, menus. Now, based on this, the set number 6 you are going to try. I have sent you the link in your WhatsApp group. Please follow that and try your level best. Complete the set number. Which one? 6. Whichever the possible things. Like suppose you are not able to create text box, leave that. If you are not able to display the image, leave that. Whichever is possible to do, just try that. Okay. That is your homework. You can do that and post in the group. Okay. See you tomorrow again. Do the set number 6.